Your quest for the perfect stay in Newcastle ends here. Welcome to Kexgill Albion House, an accommodation that surpasses mere expectations, offering a dreamlike experience tailored for students. Whether you crave the convenience of an ensuite or the solitude of a studio, this exquisite residence caters to every preference. Return to a snug bed and a dedicated desk, ensuring both comfort and posture support during those intense academic sessions. But wait, there's more. Stay connected seamlessly with complimentary high-speed broadband and Wi-Fi, while bidding farewell to mundane tasks with an on-site laundry facility. Elevate your study regimen in a designated workspace and relish in ultimate convenience with secure bike storage and attentive on-site management. And the cherry on top, utility bills are included, making your stay remarkably affordable. As for location, INTO Newcastle University and Newcastle University are just a leisurely stroll away, placing your academic ambitions at your fingertips. Yet, it's not all about studies. Discover beloved city hotspots nearby, from the tantalizing flavors of Turtle Bay and Zop Thai street food to cozy corners like Tiny for your caffeine fix or study sessions. With convenient bus stops such as Barrack Road, St. James Park, and Strawberry Place nearby, commuting couldn't be more effortless. So, what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary at Kexgill Albion House Newcastle.